Hey everybody, welcome back to Inspired Dishes. Today I will be making a salad my way. Now I think I made a salad before, but it wasn't a recipe because I was making, I think, baked chicken. So if you didn't check that out, make sure you do. So I didn't have a recipe for that, but this is a salad that I came up with. Now, these are the ingredients. I'm gonna be using spinach instead of lettuce. Now I love lettuce, but I'm gonna be using spinach. That right there is cut up is that tomatoes. You can't see it as well, but that's also cut up yellow pepper, bell pepper. I'm gonna use that for my sauce, my dressing. Also I have some eggs. They're already boiled and cut up. So yeah, that's what you see right there. Also I have, that's actually honey ham. You can pretty much use any meat, but yeah, I have honey ham that I'm gonna be using. Also, I have olive oil. I have salt. I have pepper, and also I know y'all see that bad like that's going inside your salad. Actually, I'm gonna use that to make my salad dressing. Now, I actually use Caesar. That's my favorite, and I use ranch too. But I'm gonna be using those fruits in order to make my dressing. So yeah, let's get started. So in a bowl, we're pretty much just gonna add our spinach. I want to make enough spinach to last for about 2 or 3 servings. So yeah, I'm gonna be adding in my spinach, y'all. Now I will be adding in my ham. Now I cut that strip wise a little bit. So yeah, just go ahead and add your ham. Now you want to add in your tomatoes. You know, you already cut those. I already cut those. I didn't want it too big. And I cut out the part in the middle that be so wet and stuff with all the seeds. Yeah, I cut that out as well. So yeah, go ahead and add in your tomatoes. Now, I forgot to show you in the beginning, but yeah, I have Colby and Monterey Jack cheese that I will be adding. I can't have a salad without cheese, y'all. I put cheese in a lot of my food, if you can see, a lot of my recipes. So yeah, I got to go ahead and add my cheese. And also, all these springs are pretty color, y'all. I got the green, got the red, got the yellow, got the white, and got the orange. So yeah. Okay, so now I have the blender. I set the salad to the side. I have a blender cup, and I'm gonna be using in my mixed fruit now. Now with that, it comes strawberries. I don't want it to have the strawberries in my salad dressing. So yeah, I'm using everything besides the strawberry. So yeah, I'm just using those, and that's what mango. I think that was pineapple and peaches. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that. You don't gotta put too much, but just fill it like halfway up. After that, I'm gonna put my cut yellow bell pepper. You can pretty much go without it if I can. If I chose to again, I'll probably don't use it. But yeah, just go ahead and put your little bit in there. Now that right there is olive oil. I put a little bit more in off camera, but I don't have a exact measurement. But put you like, see how that's like just a little bit half. Just put you a little bit below it. Don't overdo it, like a little bit, below it. Just enough so it don't be thick or anything when you pretty much blend it. And I also added in my salt and my pepper. And I also forgot to tell you in my salad, I also put a little bit pepper on my salad off camera. So yeah, that's why I didn't put too much in the cup. So yeah, now I'm about to blend it. Yeah, and after I blend it, this is pretty much how it looks, y'all. I taste it. Make sure you taste it. You have enough salt and everything is blended up together. And it was pretty good, y'all. It was pretty good. It's a healthier version of the other dressing that I usually eat, y'all. So yeah. So now I have a bowl, and I'm pretty much just gonna repeat this still. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so yeah, now I'm about to taste it. And yeah, I was trying to get pretty much everything. And yeah, it was too much to fit in my mouth. Y'all don't know, but yeah, my mouth, it don't open up as wide because I had a brain aneurysm 5 years ago. But yeah, I talk about that on my other channel. So yeah, it's on one of these videos where I pretty much put the link to my other channel, but I do talk about the testimony. So yeah, I'm just tasting this, and it was pretty good, y'all. It was good. So yeah, it's so simple, but It's so tasty. So yeah, I'm praying that y'all had a blessed new year. Make sure you always put Jesus Christ first. Involve him in 2021. Yes. Y'all have a blessed day.